Why you should stay with a man who loves you more than the one you love? Hold on. My name is Yinka. I'm a relationship and marriage advisor. I like talking about love, relationship, and marriage. If you're here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, like, comment, and share this video. It is the man's duty to love you more. You might like to yourself as much as you want. You might argue as much as you want, but the truth remains that a man who is the sole authority of a home decides who he wants to get married to or not. Let's look at this quick story. There was a man named Michael, and there was a woman named Anna. Michael started seeing Anna immediately after graduating from college. Their relationship was incredible. The spark was there. Anna was an amazing woman. Michael, a very loving man. But then, something was missing in this relationship. Michael couldn't just place his hands around it, but he knew that he needed more. You call it greed or indecision. Michael, who started craving for the unknown, came in contact with a woman called Evelyn on his way to work one day. Evelyn is stunning beauty, also fancies Michael. All along, Anna was devoted to Michael and wouldn't even listen to her friends whenever they talked to her about how Michael wasn't serious with her and how she deserves more. Of course, it fell on deaf ears. Now, Michael and Evelyn became a pair, even when Michael was trying not to hurt Anna. But he found himself yearning for Evelyn as the days went by. Their relationship went on for a while before Anna found out. Michael was asked to choose between Anna and Evelyn. Your guess is as good as mine. He chose Evelyn. I struggled to explain how he had fallen out of love with Anna without doing anything to him. He went on about how he wanted more, to feel loved and to give love in return. Anna was hurt, and her friends told her that they said so. Imagine leaving you for no tangible reason, no explanation whatsoever. Just fall in love with another and cut all ties with you. As painful as this may sound, this video is for clarity. Love is beautiful and sweet. Sometimes we see all those signs of our partners not loving us the way we love them. I mean as women, but yet we keep trying to change, trying to fit in, trying to be the woman of his dreams, and when he's tired of the back and forth, they leave us heartbroken and full of doubt. When you are in a relationship or even in marriage, please pay attention to your partner's feelings for you. If his feelings has changed and you find out that you cannot make amends, please stop waiting for a miracle to happen, because that person might have moved on a long time ago. As a woman, it is important, I mean very important, for you to be with a man who loves you everywhere more than you love him. A woman can grow to love a man, but it's difficult for a man who doesn't love you more to grow to love you. It is very difficult if he doesn't love you more before. Without a man wanting to get married, wanting to be with you, it is impossible for you to force yourself on such man. You only get hurt in the end. Henceforth, I hope you value yourself, your emotions, and your happiness. Don't forget to send in your anonymous topics for discussion via the emails on your screen. And if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe ring the notification bell, like and share this video. I love you and I always want you to be happy. See you in my next video. Bye.